Hello, class. I hope everyone had a great weekend, and I just wanted to create a short little video to help explain kind of what test corrections are, and then give an example of how I would want you guys to fill it out. So first, after our test last week, I thought it would be a great learning opportunity and a great opportunity for everyone to maybe get a few more points on their overall score back. Um, if we did some test corrections. So the idea is uh, if a question is worth 1 point, you can receive half of its original points possible. So if it's 1 point, which all of our answers were for this test, by doing the corrections, you can get up to half a point back on the question you missed. So for example, if you missed 6 points, you could fill out these corrections and get up to 3 total points back. This way, you can not get back to 100%, but you can get more points, and then you're also learning on why you got each question wrong. So, for example, I want you guys to have the question number, your own answer, a correct answer, what it should have been, and the explanation. The explanation is the most important part. So for example, if I missed question 1, I would say question 1, my answer might have been D when the correct answer was maybe B. I don't know if this is correct. This is just an example. And then maybe my explanation is the correct answer B is the right choice because it is the definition of a compound. My answer D was incorrect because it was the definition of a element. For example, every explanation is going to be a little bit different, and every reason why you got something wrong is going to be a little bit different too. But I want you guys to really use this as a learning tool. The other last note I want to say is please use your notes during this. This is important so that we can make sure we get the explanation correct and really learn what we missed on the test. So if there's any other questions, please let me know. I hope this was clear and that it all made sense. Thank you.